Mahalo for being with us, family. In an effort to cultivate both land and people by connecting environmental restoration and economic sustainability with traditional Hawaiian knowledge, Papahana Kuaola was created.
And this year, the ʻāina-based educational nonprofit is celebrating a wonderful milestone.
Here to tell us a little bit more about it is Tasia Roberts. She's our executive director, and Keoua Nelson, our community and education coordinator. Aloha mai kako. Mahalo for joining us, family.
All right. So we hear there is a big celebration coming up, but before we get to that, can we find out a little bit more about the work that you're doing and how you are serving the community?
Yeah, so Papahana Kuaola is really a magical place. You know, we have lots of volunteer opportunities to come in. People who come in, volunteer, mālama ʻāina, and just reconnect with Hawaiian cultural values and programs.
And one of the most beautiful places on earth. I'm not even kidding. I wish I was joking, but I am not. It's so beautiful. Now you folks are marking an important moment for Papahana Kuaola. What is it, and why is it so important, so meaningful to make a big deal about this?
So we're celebrating 20 years, and just to see what it has been or what it has come from. It was an illegal dump site. We had our founders, Rick Barbosa and Kapaliku Sherman, see this beautiful space and know that there was a story to tell. So boots to the ground, their community members that joined in, you know, our mission was born, and now we're able to just connect with the community, create relationships and lifestyles that enable Hawaii to thrive, really. So 20 years later, we get to party.
Wow, celebration time.
For sure.
Can you give us all the details of the upcoming Hoʻolauleʻa?
Yeah, so the Hoʻolauleʻa, our celebration is on Sunday, August 30th from 10 to 2. It is free admission, so come and join us. We'll have vendors, local vendors, food trucks, live entertainment, and cultural demonstrations as well. So yeah, come join us.
That is awesome. And of course, there's always great ways to participate and even to support the great work that you folks do all year round, right?
Yes.
How do we do that?
Yes, so we have volunteer opportunities the 3rd and 4th Saturday of the month. We get you in our stream or even into our lo'i, just kind of helping us, mālama ʻāina. And there's a lot of cultural programs as well that we offer at Papahana Kuaola.
That's right. And if you want to sponsor our event, or even if you want to just support our mission, all of the details are on our website.
Beautiful. And that is papahanakuaola.org?
Yes.
.org.
Love it. Family, you guys make this so easy. It's so easy to come party, right?
Yes.
20 years, it's definitely worth it. Tasia Roberts, Keoua Nelson, for more information on that 20th anniversary Hoʻolauleʻa and how you can participate and support their good work year-round programs, visit papahanakuaola.org. Mahalo nui, family.
Mahalo.
Beautiful.
Woohoo.